See the moment Baby Naija Cross was caught with JMK under duvet last night and not with Angel or Sasuke. Big Brother Naija Season 6 housemate Cross Ikechukwu and new housemate JMK had sex and smooth cuddling under the duvet last night. When the video began to go viral, a few Nigerians said it was Angel and Cross that were in bed. Another set of Nigerians said it was Sasuke and Cross. Unfortunately, it was Cross and JMK, the new female housemate, who just got to the house on Sunday. Sasuke slept in J-Paw's bed while Angel slept in her bed alone and hasn't been talking to anyone after her last fight with Sammy. Last night, Cross sneaked from his bed to that of JMK bed and they ended up having a soft sex and smooth cuddling, unlike Praise and Katrina's aggressive cuddling last year. After the action had been done, Cross got up from JMK's bed and went to his bed.